Hello everyone. In last video we saw Power Automate introduction, benefits of Power Automate and organization using Power Automate. This video we will cover pricing and licensing of Power Automate and how we can access Power Automate. In the Power Platform, each of the services carries a different licensing depending upon their plans such as free license, Power Automate Premium license and Power Automate Process license. Let's talk about Power Automate Premium license. This license allows users to automate the modern application with cloud flows and legacy application with desktop flows in attended mode, whereas provides unlimited cloud flows and desktop flow in attended mode and process the mining storage data that and process mining data storage limit is 50 MB and provides the AI builder credit as 5,000. The Microsoft Dataverse includes 200 MB of database capacity and a 2 GB file storage capacity, which is cost around $15 per user per month. Whereas Power Automate Process provides one automation bot that can be used for unattended desktop automation and digital process automation. It can be accessed by unlimited users in the organization. Ability to create a cloud flows also perform desktop flows in unattended mode, and it is cost around 150 per word per month. If you want to go in details like in pricing and licensing of Power Automate, then you can check out the Microsoft documentation where you can explore the Power Automate plans more deeply. Now let's come back to our PPT. So next we will see how we can access Power Automate. So there are three ways we can access Power Automate. One is from access the Power Automate from the app list of Office 365, and the second one is we can directly from the app launcher you can access the Power Automate, and the third one is we can directly use the Power Automate URL, that is make.powerautomate.com. So now let's see how we can access it. This is my Office 365. From here, if you will click on the app launcher icon, here you can access the Power Automate, and if you click on this, then you will land here in this page where here you can say hello Haripriya. Here you can create your flow, and here you can check all your flows which you have done before, or if you want to create a new flow, then click on the create flow, or from here you can create a new flow. So mostly there are 5 flows like automated cloud flow, instant cloud flow, and scheduled cloud flow, desktop cloud flow, and process mining. Desktop cloud flow we will discuss in the next video, and these 3 flows we will see on coming videos. Now, if you want to access the Power Automate by URL, you just type make.powerautomate.com, then you can land with this home page. You can create your own flow. So that's all for today. We will see you on next video where we will see the introduction to Power Automate Desktop, and we will install the Power Automate Desktop in a local computer and explore the Power Automate Desktop UI.